How to fix grayed out cellular data on iPhone. So if you want to fix the grayed out cellular data on your iPhone, then first you just need to take your iPhone device. Once you're here with your iPhone device, now first thing you need to do is you just need to simply turn off and back on cellular service. So turning off and on the cellular service can re-establish connectivity free from bugs and glitches. Additionally, you can try restarting your iPhone. So open up the settings app and tap on the mobile service option. On the mobile service, select the SIM. And once you selected the SIM, you just need to simply tap on the button and toggle that off. And once you turn that off, you can again turn it on. And once you turn it on, now your problem might be fixed. If you're using a physical SIM, try removing and inserting it again. Now, the second fix is disable content restrictions. So, restricting changes to cellular data locks many settings in place. You can no longer use the cellular icon on the control center to toggle cellular data on or off. So, the first step is open up the settings app and select the screen time and go to content restrictions, which is on the bottom of your screen. And under your content and privacy restrictions, you just need to simply scroll down and allow changes to menu and select mobile data. And here you will have an option of don't allow, right? So you just need to allow that option. So tap on mobile data and you will this kind of interface. So simply tap on allow, and once you've allowed, you can enter your passcode to make the changes. This will allow you to make changes to mobile data and will tell you turn it on. Now the third fix is disable lockdown mode. So lockdown mode on your iPhone protects you if you suspect a targeted cyber attack. Apple says most of us are unlikely to be affected by it, but if you've accidentally enabled it, you may be unable to use cellular data. So to turn it off, you just need to open up your settings app. Under settings, you need to go with privacy, and you need to scroll down under your privacy and settings and tap on lockdown mode, which is on the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on the lockdown mode, you just need to simply turn it off. Once you tap on lockdown mode, it will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply tap on turn off lockdown mode, and then you need to restart your iPhone and your problem might be fixed. And the other thing you can do is you can reset your network settings. So this option deletes the Wi-Fi passwords from your iPhone and other network configurations. So save Wi-Fi passwords before proceeding to the steps. So first open up your settings app, tap on general, tap on transfer and reset, which is on the bottom of your screen. And once you tap on it, here on the bottom you will have reset option. Simply tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. Once you tap on it, your problem will be fixed. In this way, you can fix the grayed out cellular data on iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.